Today we are going to continue converting Go code. So in last video we defined the constants. Today we will define the murmur128 function. So let's start. I will try to get the views side by side so you can do it efficiently. Okay. So data, it will be slice of a byte which is here, and it will return two parts of U64. I think Rust doesn't support returning multiple values. So we will instead return a tuple. So yeah, let's define this first variables. In Rust we will use let. By default these are like unmutable. Yeah. Rust doesn't support like defining multiple values. So we will use tuple syntax. We will initialize values to 0. Yeah. We need it to be U64. Let's move on and see if this causes any issues. I think it will infer later. Length will be length of data dot length, yeah, and blocks will be like length divided by my semicolon. I just require semicolon most of the time. This block size is like 16 bytes or bits, and late. And now let's start with for loop for I from I to blocks. And yeah, we need to define this function first. So let's start with that. Let's copy this and convert this. Slice of byte. Let's see how to cast. Let's see from. Yeah, that seems to working. We will later write test to test everything. Yes. Yeah, let's define this Rust way. Um, yeah. Let's go back to our murmur128 function. So first we will define k1. And okay, I think we need to define this. I need to recheck the for loop syntax for Rust. Okay, yeah. For n in 02 block. This is the error. Okay, so data is slice. Let's try sending the reference. Okay, yeah, this seems to be working. Now let's define K2. Let's copy this whole thing. Semicolon. Okay, reference of this data type. So for loop is complete. Now let's define the tail. Let tail. And switch of length and operator with 15. So let's copy everything. So let's start with some part. We can later expand. Okay. Let's just quickly see switch syntax. Okay, I think it's, in Rust it is used as match. So match and is, and in a case, so 15 Okay, what is this fall through? Let's see what is fall through. I think fall through is break. No. Yeah, I think it is to continue the next case, even though this is true. So